We'll guide you through how to recover deleted files from Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log in with your account details if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the home page, look to the left sidebar and click on the option labeled Deleted Files. This will take you to a page where you can see all the files you've deleted within the last 30 days, as Dropbox keeps your deleted files available for recovery for up to 30 days for free accounts and longer if you have a Dropbox business or professional account. Scroll through the list to find the file you want to recover. You can use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of files and need to locate it quickly. Click on the file to select it. Then, look toward the right-hand side of the screen, where you'll see a button labeled Restore. Click this button, and Dropbox will begin the process of restoring your file to its original location in your Dropbox. Keep in mind that if you have a lot of files to recover, you can select multiple files at once by holding down the Ctrl key, or Command key on a Mac, and clicking on each file you need to restore. Once you've restored your file, it should reappear in the folder it was originally deleted from. This feature is particularly useful if you accidentally delete something important and need to get it back quickly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.